Factory footage. Adafruit factory, take it away. And it wouldn't be Adafruit factory footage without a look outside our window, which is all under construction.
This is fun.
And not to, when anyone says not to belabor the point, they just go on the So this is Disney. They're moving across the street. I'm sure they get every benefit for being multi-gajillionaire company, and they get benefits for being mouse-based or something. But we've gotten nothing for being a woman-owned company. But I can tell they're getting breaks. I can tell.
Mousy breaks.
Mouse breaks.